I'm here in the kitchen with my sous chefs, my young team of culinary experts. Now, watermelon, every kid loves watermelon, right? Who loves watermelon? Raise their hand.
Me.
Okay, but there's been like a new TikTok way of cutting watermelon, right?
Yeah.
So I guess the question is, I love learning new things, and I learn something new every day, especially from these guys. So we're gonna start. Here we go. So I'm gonna ask each one of you how I should cut the watermelon.
You cut it in half.
Okay.
And then you like take one of the half and you put it, and then you cut it like that, and then
Yeah.
you cut it like that, and there'll be like little squares.
Okay, Jack, how should I cut it?
I don't know. Save it.
All right, Carter, how should I cut it?
A square.
Squares?
Like
I like it. You're to the point. Like just squares. That's it. Squares or rectangles?
So first you do this, put it like this.
Okay.
And cut.
Okay.
No, like I show you.
Okay, all right, guys, here I go. Flip it around. Okay, is this good?
Yeah.
Is this good?
And then you take this
Okay.
one.
Okay.
And you put this one.
Okay.
And then you cut it like this. Like you cut it like
Okay,
this.
so we're gonna cut it in the lines like that, right?
Yeah.
Another one like this. Okay, one like this.
Then that.
So now should I turn it? Should I turn it like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
You cut it like that.
All right, so now from here, okay, watch out. I don't want the knife to get too close to you. So like that. Wait, who wants to do the reveal?
See, it is really.
Oh, there we go. So it's basically there's your square. Here you go, Carter. You want that? Oh, you got the busted
Perfect
piece. Here,
juice.
here, take that one. There you go. All right, guys.
Perfect juice.
Perfect juice. So that's it, huh? Who wants salt on their watermelon? Who wants a little salt on there?
Not me.
Okay, who wants to be adventurous? Who wants to try it with salt?
No.
Okay, tell me what you think with salt on there. Go. All right, well, they got to work that savory flavor into it. All right, guys, cheers.
It tastes good.
Let's cheers this. I love this new style of cutting watermelon. Cheers, 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 cheers.
And then you do the other one.
And then we'll do the other one. So that is kind of cool. Look, and then you can kind of line them up in a dish like that.
Yeah, can you do that? And then we take it outside.
You guys can take it outside to the neighbors. How much you want to sell each slice of watermelon for?
$5.
$5?
No. $1,000. $2. $1,000.
$1,000. Now I like the way you think, James. We got to pay for your college, so. There we go, guys. Here we go. So I'll put some more in here. Line them up like that. All right, you guys take it outside. Oh, who's the strongest? This is heavy. This is heavy.
Oh yeah.
There you go. Teamwork. All right, open the door. All right, go give it to the neighbors. Come back with cash. That watermelon was 11 bucks. I need to break even. You know what? Now they know how to cut. They taught me how to cut watermelon that way. When I was a kid, it was just a big old circle, but now we got the sticks. Geometry has changed. So try that with your kids. I don't even know who these kids are. They're not my kids. Just found them outside.